The Crafty Kid and the Kidnapper. A kidnapper lived in a town where several rich people lived, and he made friends with rich kids and kidnapped those kids and demanded ransom from their parents. This is how the kidnapper made out his living. One day, he saw a kid who is about 9 years old sat alone on a bench in a park. The kid's name is Mahapragna, which means wise. Even the kid is crafty, as the name states. The kid is kind too. This kid spends evening time in the park every day. The kidnapper found this and he started coming to the park every day and sat on the same bench. He spoke nothing and sat on the bench with fake tears. The kid observed this and one day he asked the kidnapper the reason for his cry. The kidnapper said that he was in great pain. He lost his job and all his money and his life is a disaster. The kid felt sad for the kidnapper. He said kidnapper not to worry and he said that he would help him by asking his father. The kidnapper denied and told the kid to bring something to eat and that's enough for him. The kid felt sad and brought food to the kidnapper every day. The kid did not know the poison thought behind the kidnapper's fake tears and sweet words. This continued for a while and the kid trusted the kidnapper so much. One day the kidnapper made a plan to kidnap the kid. The kidnapper asked the kid to visit his home once. He told the kid that he would be very much happy if he visits his home. He also said that his home is not so far from the park and it's only 5 minutes walk. The kid agreed and they both started to walk. Both are walking and it's almost 15 minutes and the kid started to doubt the kidnapper. So the kid spoke to the kidnapper using sweet words and inquired how long they have to walk. The kidnapper said a little more. Suddenly the kid told the kidnapper to stop and said, "Wait, uncle." The kidnapper thought the kid got doubt and he was to hurry. However, the kid stayed calm and said, "I know you lost all your money and I wanted to help you. So I brought my mom's valuable necklace, telling no one, and hid it near the park to give it to you. I forgot it there. Let's bring it and you will be free from your poverty." The kidnapper thought, "A diamond necklace? I should have it as it will cost more than a fortune. I can make even more money after I get the necklace and I can even demand more money from the kid's dad." The kidnapper agreed to get it and they walked back to the park. The kid took the kidnapper to a grassy area near the park. They both started searching for the necklace and there is a police station beside the grassy place. The kid, while acting like he was searching for the necklace, went into the police station and told the police that a man is trying to kidnap him. 2 policemen came with the kid and got hold of the kidnapper, who is searching for the necklace. The police came to know that he is the kidnapper they had been searching for from a long time. The kid could get rid of the kidnapper for good using his wit. The police called the kid's parents and the kid explained what happened from the beginning. And the police appreciated the kid for his intelligence and the parents felt proud of him. Moral: when things go wrong, stay calm, don't react, but respond and use your wit to overcome the situation. Even in our lives, things go wrong and we worry so much. We lose ourselves by overthinking. We lose self-control and we react without thinking properly. This way isn't right to solve problems in life. You need to stay calm and think of a solution. You need to respond to the wrong situations in life instead of reacting. Use your wit to overcome your problems in life. Thanks for listening to the story. Subscribe to get inspired today.